Hey, what's going on, everybody? I am going to show you what we did today in the stock market. So I decided to go with OXY once again. As you can see, OXY went down as soon as the market opened, but I was paying attention to it. And once I got to the 61.10 level, I decided that it was time to go back in, as the RSI was saying that it was oversold. I got in. That was fast. I got in. However, there's always a chance that it was just a fake green candle, and that's what I thought it was happening, and I decided to get out. I got in with my brackets, and then I was like, nope, this is not moving, this is not going, and I decided to get out. So I made $194 in 1 minute. It's not too bad, right? However, this is where I broke my rule. And my rule is that if I get out from a trade, I do not jump back in after 5 to 10 minutes. That's my rule. Need to wait 5 to 10 minutes to make sure I was wrong. Why? Because this could happen. So I got in here again, right? Got in at 61.40 something. Can't see the number from here. Let me see if I can move the screen. 61.49. And then look what happened. Price started going down. And I decided to stick with it because I thought it was going to go up. Big mistake. So when I noticed that the price was coming down, I said, okay, the price can always go lower, but I was telling myself, okay, the price can only go lower just a little bit more, and then it needs to take a break. The same way the price cannot go up all the time. The price cannot go down all the time. It needs to take a break. And I thought, okay, after probably this or the other bar, it'll take a break, right? Well, was I wrong? It actually took me for a ride, and the price went down so much that I was down over $1,000 in less than 10 minutes. So as you can see, I was down here, 1,020. And I think we actually went lower than that, 1,240. And this is when you start thinking, or you start hearing that voice that you need to get out. But I was like, nope. OXY is it's a good company. Warren Buffett invested in this company yesterday. They should still have good momentum, so to speak, right? That's what I was feeling. That's what I was getting out of this. The other thing was volume was pretty good. But the candles were also dropping, but not as aggressive as like at the beginning, right? As you can see from, let me see, from 9:30, 9:31. See those bars? Those bars were aggressive. Those were solid bars. And then at this point, the red bars kind of came a little bit weaker. And I thought, okay, yep, it'll go back up at this point. Luckily for me, it did went up after, I'm going to say, 20 minutes or so. So I'm trying to fast forward this video so we don't make it too long. And here we go. I mean, I thought it was going to go down again, but lucky for me, price went up. Now my account turned green once again, and I was making money once again. And I just had to wait. You know, I could tell that the price was turning. It was starting to go back up. So there was no reason for me to get out. So this was a scary moment, but after that, boom, price was like, nope, we need to go back up. The market said we need to rescue Jeff. Nah, that doesn't happen. But anyway, now the price kept going up for a little bit longer, not much. And right after I got out here, right about here, boom, I was able to get my money, and I said, I'm done. That's it. Turning the computer off. Bye bye. Right? That's what I told myself, and I did. Usually, I place one trade. If I get my money, I walk away from the computer, and that's it. I have the rest of the day for myself. So I kept recording just to show you guys what happened. And look, I I was saved, or I was lucky today by 2 cents. I got out at 61.79, and the price went up to 61.81, and then it started going down. So another reason why I don't like to stay in the market for too long. And I also like to use brackets that will give me 20, 30. Sometimes I use 50, but lately it's been kind of difficult to get 50 cents out of a trade. Not with this market. I'm having trouble getting 50 cents with this market. So I'm kind of sticking with 20 and 30 for now. So far I've been lucky. I mean, I'm not going to say that $794 is not a lot, but when the market is happy and it's bullish and most of the prices go up, I tend to make a little bit over 1,000 every day. So what happened here? Market, the price went down, and like I said, I saved myself. So what did we learn today? That I need to stick with my rule. And once again, my rule is that if I get out because I think the price is going to come down, then I need to stay out and not jump back in right away. Because if that was the case, I should have just stayed, from the beginning. But I felt that the price was going to come back. Also, keep in mind that I'm always looking at the L2, level 2, while my money is in the market, right? The level 2 will give you a hint of what might happen. The level 2 will not tell you exactly what happens. None of the EMAs will not tell you what is going to happen. So it's up to you to kind of read ahead of what's going to happen. But that comes with experience. Also, volume was kind of choppy, and I just knew I had to get out. But unfortunately, I got out and I went right back in. I sold. The next part, I got back in. Big mistake. As you noticed, as you saw it, I was down $1,200 for a minute. Luckily for a minute. And then the price came back up, and I was able to get out, and I was able to make a profit. But right after this, the price dropped again. So I was kind of lucky today. But that's what it takes to be in this business. Anyhow, if you have any questions, let me know. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. All right, people. I'll see you tomorrow in the same channel at the same time. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.